Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have CONFLUX Network CFX daily update. We are going to see the next targets as it has been correcting a lot since the mini crash of BTC. Let's go and find out the next targets, the support and resistance levels, what to expect in the short term and a few days after. Let's go right now and see first the price action. And the price analysis for CFX, you can see right here that we had a minus 11% in just 4 hours. Insane stuff, right? But at the end of the day, we had so much of an uptrend with CFX. This altcoin has been going crazy. It has been pumping a lot. Let's right now see the most important support level. And the most important support level, it is the one that we hold it before, right? This line right here, I would actually call this rectangle between the price target of 0.3663 and the 0.3585. Okay, to 86 around there. Now, what happens if you see CFX going sideways, right? What happens if you do not see CFX going below these targets? Then that means that we are going to explode again, making CFX go even higher, possibly than the 0.44 at first, and then even higher at the second time. Okay, so perhaps this is the pivot bull point. Okay, I would call it the bull support band. If we hold it, then we can go all the way up higher. However, what happens, Bill, if we get rejected from here and we should be going further down? If we get rejected, then the most problematic scenario would be that we are getting rejected right here and then we go down, right? We fly down to 0.2963 around there. Okay, it could be the case that we go further down, right? But at the end of the day, right now, we need to hold it. But if you see it closing below the 4-hour frame or the daily frame, make sure that CFX will have another crash. And this time, the crash will be huge, a minus 17%. And Bill, do we have any huge risk right here or something like that? Well, as I've talked about, into the Binance platform, we do not have a very RSA divergence, but into the other platforms, such as CoinEx and so on, we have a very RSA divergence in the weekly scale. That means that we hold a good risk and we could be going further down. Okay, this is the truth for CFX. In the lower time frames, if we go to the 1-hour frame, there's a good chance that we are forming right here a bearish pennant. Okay, but we will have to wait and see. Could be a bearish pennant, could be not. We will have to wait in which direction CFX is going to go. For example, if we go back down, it could be possibly a bearish pennant, going back down right here and finding buying pressure right there. Okay, it could not be a problem since we see it in the 1-hour frame, nothing special. Okay, but what I want you to pay attention to is the target below the 0.3586, because if we go below the 0.3586, then problems are going to start with CFX. 0.2963 will be the first support level, and not only that, but we could go further down. That is for the next days, not for the short term. For the short term, what we are looking at today, for example, it is to hold here. If we do not hold it here for today, because I'm telling you for today, because there is a very good chance that we see a retest. If we do not hold it for today, then CFX is going to go further down into the next few days, approaching the 0.2963. Now, for the holders of around here, I would say that you can sell some. If you see the price going down from here, you can just sell some like 60% or 70% to secure profits, right? If you've bought from there, from here, or from further down, right? If you've bought, for example, from the bottoms of the 0.105536, you can just sell right after. Anyway, the good part about CFX could be that we go higher, right? If we find buying pressure right here, we could go higher. At this point, I would like to remind you to join our monthly subscription Patreon/MindYourCrypto, because you will get easy profits. We have the best trading system in the crypto industry, because I am working personally since 2017 to find the most minimized risk, and it works, right? With closing below and closing above conditions. The second semi-bearish thing is that we found rejection into the 0.3881. Now, I'm going to remove right here, actually, I'm going to remove the Fibonacci, the previous one. I'm going to have the support levels. The 0.3881 is a very huge resistance level. If we close above though in the 4-hour frame, then we have multiple chances into climbing up the stairs again, and the retest will be successful. Okay, so the 0.3881 serves as a major resistance level, but at the end of the day, closing above in the 4-hour frame or the daily frame, whatever the case should be, then we can go all the way up higher. Okay, and this is going to mean another pump for CFX. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/MindYourCrypto. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription as well, and see you soon with many more videos. Bye.